Have you ever set a goal so big it felt impossible to achieve? Today, we're diving into the secrets of achieving your goals and turning your dreams into reality. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications on more life-changing content. Today, we're talking about one of the most important topics ever: how to achieve your goals in life. Achieving goals can seem daunting, but it's entirely possible with the right mindset and strategies. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1. Set smart goals. Ditch the wishful thinking. The cornerstone of achievement is setting SMART goals. SMART is an acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of the ambiguous desire to get fit, a SMART goal could be losing 10 pounds in 3 months by working out 3 times a week and maintaining a balanced diet. This clarity is crucial. It transforms hazy aspirations into concrete objectives you can actively pursue. Here's how SMART empowers you. Specific ensures your goal is crystal clear, leaving no room for misinterpretation. Measurable means you have a way to track progress, whether through weekly weigh-ins or workout logs. Achieving keeps your goal realistic and motivating, preventing discouragement. Relevant ensures your goal aligns with your bigger picture, like overall health improvement. Finally, time-bound sets a deadline to keep you focused and moving forward. With SMART goals, you have a roadmap and the direction to turn those long-held dreams into reality. Step 2. Break down your goals. Conquer those daunting goals by breaking them down into manageable steps. Imagine wanting to write a book. That can feel overwhelming, but with a SMART approach, you can break it down into achievable tasks. Start by outlining each chapter, then set a daily word count goal. This way, the large project becomes a sequence of smaller, achievable steps. The beauty of this approach is twofold. It makes the process less intimidating and allows you to celebrate mini victories along the way. Feeling accomplished after completing a chapter outline or reaching your daily word count keeps you motivated and propels you forward. Take running a marathon as another example. Instead of feeling paralyzed by the thought of 26.2 miles, begin with a simple goal of running just 1 mile daily. Gradually increase the distance, celebrating each milestone as you build towards your ultimate goal. By breaking down large goals into smaller, actionable steps, you transform a seemingly insurmountable challenge into a series of achievable victories, paving the way for ultimate success. Step 3. Stay accountable. Don't go it alone. Share your goals with the people who care about you, like friends, family, or a trusted mentor. This creates a support system that can cheer you on, celebrate your wins, and gently nudge you back on track during setbacks. Here's the magic of accountability. When others know about your goals, you're more likely to achieve them. The simple act of making your goals public increases your commitment. If you'd like to expand your support network, consider joining online communities or finding an accountability partner who's working towards similar goals. These connections can provide valuable motivation, shared experiences, and a sense of camaraderie on your journey. Step 4. Track your progress. Don't underestimate the power of tracking your progress. Whether it's a dedicated journal or a handy app, monitoring your journey is key to staying motivated. Every milestone, no matter how seemingly insignificant, deserves a pat on the back. Recording these small wins, be it conquering a challenging task or simply sticking to your routine for a week, serves a dual purpose. First, it provides a tangible record of your efforts, allowing you to visually see how far you've come and how much you've accomplished. This concrete evidence fuels your determination and keeps you focused on your goals. Second, celebrating these achievements, big or small, reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated to continue pushing forward. It's a self-administered reward system that acknowledges your dedication and keeps you excited about the road ahead. So grab your pen or open your app, because tracking your progress is a surefire way to stay on track and reach your full potential. Step 5. Adapt and overcome. Life can throw curveballs, and it's important to stay flexible. If you hit a roadblock, reassess your plan and adjust your approach. Adapting to challenges is crucial for long-term success. Remember, it's not about avoiding obstacles, but learning how to navigate through them. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, learn from your experiences, and keep pushing forward. Now, let's dive into a personal story that illustrates these steps in action. So, what's your big goal? Share it in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey. And remember, every step you take brings you closer to achieving your dreams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs some motivation. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of goal-getters. Together, we can achieve anything.